Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking materials that hold relief, wood, foam, or MDF, and cut your initial shapes immediately. Once done, transfer the sketch using a grid or projector to keep proportions. Make sure to mark orientation and label pieces 1, 2, 3 so you don't lose the order. Use a jigsaw for wood or a hot wire for foam, and keep cuts slightly oversized to refine later. This gets you into the build phase quickly and creates a reliable foundation. Once the layers are glued and clamped, you begin sculpting contours and building mid-level detail. Carve deeper shapes first, then blend with sanding blocks. Make sure to move from coarse to fine grits so surfaces read smoothly at viewing distance. Add texture by applying filler, pressing mesh, or using sculpting tools for organic marks. Allow drying between passes. As you work, step back frequently to check silhouette and shadow, because 3D effects depend on clean transitions and consistent depth. You prime the entire piece with 2 thin coats of acrylic or PVA primer, sanding lightly between coats so paint adheres evenly. Next, paint in layers. Block in a base, add midtones to define planes, then lift edges with highlights using dry brushing to accentuate relief. Once satisfied, seal with matte or satin varnish to protect surfaces. If paint cracks or peels, resand the area, remove dust, and reprime before repainting. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.